Good morning, student. Hope you are all well at your home, and also hope you have completed your exercises of chapter 1, 2, and chapter 3. There are some questions are left in chapter 3. So today I will discuss about some exercises of chapter 3. So student, please open your textbook, chapter 3, exercises, long exercises. So get ready, write down the exercises of chapter 3, class 4, subject science. Today's topic is exercise of chapter 3, long question answer. Okay, did you know what is the name of chapter 3? Safety and first aid. Safety and first aid, very small chapter. So student, get ready now. Open your book. I am also take the book for reading and explaining the exercise. Safety and first aid, and open the page number 35. Point number 5. Answer the following question in short. Answer the following questions in short. Student, please erase this long. Your short questions are also left. Okay, I am forgetted that point B is already completed, but when I see the book is not completed, so write down this. Answer the following question in short. Okay, write down in your fair copy directly. If you write down very neat and clean, or otherwise you write down in your homework copy. Question: name the two things at home. Question 1. Name the two things at home which are very useful. Very useful but dangerous. If used carelessly. Carelessly. Student, there are so many things at home which are very dangerous when we use very carelessly. You know student, sharp objects like knives, blades, glass. Okay, so write down any two. So write down two things. This is already given on the page number 28. Stove, electricity, and sharp knives. sharp, KNI, and gas stove. Gas stove. Okay, you can write down the complete answer. Two things: sharp knives and gas stoves are the two things that at home which are very useful but dangerous if used carelessly. Okay, student. Question number 2. In examination, you can write down only these sharp knives and gas stoves because this question is very short question answer. Now question number 2. I am going to read it. What is first head? I think you have all read this. This is given in page number 33. What is first head? Student, page number 33, key terms: the immediate help, first aid is the immediate help given to an injured person before the arrival of the doctor. Okay, student, write down. I am going to erase question number 1. I am erasing this and write question number 3. What is the question number 3? Question number 3. What is the safest way of crossing the road? What is the safest way of crossing the road? Answer number 2. I am going to erase. Write down answer number 3. Zebra crossing, zebra crossing is the safest way of crossing the road. You can write down only zebra crossing also. I am going to erase question number 2 and answer number 2. Question number 4. Name some common emergencies that can require first aid. Name some common emergencies Name some common emergencies 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 that can require first aid. Full stop. Answer, student. You know where first aid is required in some common emergencies, like student in minor burns, cuts, wounds, and fracture, sprain. Okay, this is the some common emergencies which are done very carelessly. Okay, so write down the answer. Already given in your textbook. Some common emergencies of first aid, like first aid for some common emergencies that can require first aid are followed. We are going to erase question number 3rd and answer number 3rd. First, for a minor cut, second, for cut or scrap, SCRAPE. Third, for nose bleeding, Fourth, for insect bite, insects bite. This is 4 points which are given in your test, but in high class there are so many other points for dog bite, for snake bite, okay, and for fracture and for sprain, okay. But write down only 4 points which is very common emergencies that can require first aid. Write down, student. I am going to erase the question number 4. You will write down continuous the answer number 4. Question number 5 is, what can be done? What can be done? What can be done to treat a minor cut? A minor cut? Question mark. Answer number 5. Student, very common. So it is knowing what is proper way of giving the treatment. First aid treatment is very necessary in the emergencies. So student, this chapter is very important. Read very carefully. So student, when anybody get hurt and get minor cut on their skin, this is already given in page number 33. Okay. What can be done to treat a minor cut? Clean with lukewarm or running water and gently pat dry. If the skin is broken, apply a thin layer of antiseptic ointment and then cover with a bandage or gauze. First of all, clean to treat a minor cut. First, clean CLEAN, clean the cut with water. Okay, water, and gently and keep it dry. Okay. Then apply a thin layer of antiseptic ointment. Antiseptic ointment, and then cover and then covered COVERD covered with bandage BANDA bandage or GAU gauze ZE. Okay student, or bandage, tie a bandage over the wound part or cutted part. Okay student, write down. Now student, there are 3 questions in section 6. Answer the following question. Okay, this question I will explain in your next class. Okay student. So student, don't be panic. Write down very slowly, neat and clean in your notebook. I will discuss the rest question in your next online class. Okay student. So write down the today's homework. Learn short question answer a chapter 3 in fair copy. Okay student, right. Okay, now your class is over. Thank you for your cooperation. Okay student, write down homework. Thank you once again. Have a nice day. Okay student, write down. And listen student once again. After completing this chapter, we will revise from chapter 1st, 2nd and 3rd. So ready for revision. I will tell you after completing this chapter. Okay student, write down.